to show you how to change out some traditional toggle wall switches to slide wall switches without the need to rewire. Okay, today I'm going to be replacing this outlet, switch plate cover. Well, not quite replacing it, but doing a special cover over the top. So this one's called a lure, and it's a slide switch. And as you can see, this one is kind of dirty, kind of tired. So I'm going to change this out real quick with the slide switches. Show you those real quick. Here's the slides, and then here's the frame for it. And I'm going to try to keep it neat and cut around the outside here. As neat as I can. There we go. Okay, now all I got to do is loosen up these screws a little bit and slip the cover over the existing screws for deals. That should be enough right about there. Here it goes. So there we go. Now I'll tighten these down, not too tight, just nice and snug things up. Should straighten these up a little bit as well. And now we'll clip in our slide covers. Probably the hardest part of this job will be getting the package open. But anyway, here's our toggle slide covers. There we go. And the whole reason I had a little bit of a hard time there was I did this upside down. So I actually missed, there's a little up there. So we'll redo that. Easy enough. There we go. There we go. Just something to watch for. The little up arrow should be up. And this way everything will line up properly. Just like it should. Now it'll be much easier. So there's that one. And there's that one. Good to go. Now is our nice new light covers, and I can just caulk around the outside and cut in the paint, make it look perfect. But already looks much better. Good to go.